Affiliate marketing sounds great until you sit down and write the actual blog, right? Suddenly, hundreds of questions come to mind. How to choose the right topic, how to write a blog, and how to add affiliate links in a way that people actually click. If you have asked any of these questions, then you are at the right place. Hi, I'm Jeet from Gravity Right, and in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create an Amazon affiliate blog using AI. We will go through everything from selecting the topic to generating the blog and adding affiliate links effectively. So without any further ado, let's get started. To create our Amazon affiliate blog, we are going to use a tool from Gravity Right called AI Blog Writer. So just go to gravitywrite.com. In the sidebar, go to AI Blog Writer and click on Write a New Blog. Here, you have to enter the title of your blog. If you have no idea on which topic you want to create a blog on, just click on Suggest Blog Topics by AI and enter your niche here. You can even enter the specific product you want to promote through affiliate marketing. As I want to do affiliate marketing of laptop and its accessories, so I'm going to enter that here. Then click on Suggest Blog Topics by AI. You can see we have got the blog topic suggestions. Just choose the one you like. Next, let's select how we want the outline to be generated. We got 4 options. I'm going to choose Create Outline using Real-Time Info. This will include the new models that were launched last month, as the tool will do the search on the web and gather all the information that it could collect on your topic and create an updated outline. So just click on Create Outline. A new outline will be generated for you by gathering information through various articles on the web. Now, instead of entering the product details manually, you can fetch the details from Amazon itself. So to do that, just copy the product name from here. Go to Amazon and paste it in the search bar. The product results will appear. Click on the product and copy the link. Come back to AI Blog Writer. Click on the info button, paste the link and click on fetch. The details of the product will automatically be fetched and used to create this section. Follow the same process for all the products in the outline. If you want to make any changes, you can do it here to customize the blog according to your needs. To make your title interesting to read, click the icon and select the title variation you like. You can also change the order of the sections just by dragging it like this. Add your own heading by clicking on Add H2 section. And add related subheadings by clicking on the plus icon here. If you don't want any section, you can remove it by clicking on this icon and the section will be deleted for you. You also get additional settings like setting the voice for your blog and selecting words per section. You can create a long blog if you select 3000 words per section, or you can create a shorter one with only 50 words per section. If you have done any keyword research, you can paste your keywords here, or you can click on Generate Keywords with AI and the SEO keywords will be generated for you. You also have an option to enable the internal linking. If you have any blogs that exist which are related to the current blog, this option will fetch those links and these links will be included in your current blog, keeping the readers longer on your website and hence helping you rank higher on Google. So just select it, enter your domain name, click on Fetch Relevant Links. The last option you have here is to choose your image source. Whether you want your images to be stock images or AI generated images. We recommend you to go with AI generated images as these are unique to your blog and reduces the risk of copyright issues. Once all is done, click on Continue and you will be taken to the next step, which is the actual blog generation. If you scroll down, you will see the product images are already fetched from the Amazon links. Now you can start generating each section individually, or if you want, you can generate the entire blog at once. So let's do that. Click on Generate All. In a few seconds, your blog will be ready, including the introduction and conclusion. Let's look at the first image. It looks pretty realistic, right? Each section contains the features of the products that are extracted from the link. Now, if you want, you can make changes to your blog, like increasing the length of a particular section. You can do that by clicking here. Select the section length and click on Save and Generate. This section will be regenerated for you. Next, let's see how we can insert the affiliate products link. Just go to the section where you want to insert the link. Click on Insert Link button. Paste your product's affiliate link here. Then enter the text you want in the place of the link. Click on OK. Your link will be inserted in this section. This way, when people read your blog, they can click on your affiliate link to purchase the product. Follow the same for all the products. Once all is done, click on Preview and Export. You can see all the contents and images are well structured. Once you have generated the blog, now it's time to publish the blog. You can publish the blog in two ways. The first way is to copy it from here and paste it on your website. The second and the easiest way is to publish directly from GravityWrite. For this, you have to connect your WordPress website with your GravityWrite account. To see how to do that, you can watch this video. The link is in the description. So just select WordPress in the drop-down menu and click on Export to WordPress. Your domain name will appear here. Select the status of your blog, whether you want to publish it right away, keep it as a draft, or schedule it for the future. Let's click on Publish. Then click on Import to WordPress. In a few seconds, you will get your blog post URL and you can view the blog on your website. That's it. This is how you can easily create an affiliate blog. So try out these tools and successfully start your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to GravityWrite for more such content creation tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.